my name is Lori Bradford, and I'm here with my good friend, Dr. Stephanie
Hello.
McCulix. And we are going to talk to you about menopause, your liver health, premenopause, your liver health, hormonal changes, and your liver health, and the role that that plays, and how Plexus Restore, can support that journey. So, as a woman going through hormonal changes, how important is it to have a nice functioning liver, and what can disrupt my liver health, and why should it matter when I'm looking at hormone balancing?
Yeah, absolutely. So just off the top, things that can disrupt your liver health are things like excessive alcohol, toxins in our environment, bad water supply, air, toxic air, polluted air, all of those things. As well as synthetic hormones too. That is an added burden. It's something that our liver has to process. And if our liver is, not healthy, that can really impact the way the breakdown of the hormones happen. And one very crucial thing, especially when it comes to hormone balance, is, our livers take our hormones through phase 1 and phase 2 metabolism, and then there's phase 3 that happens in the gut. And if there is, dysregulation in any of those processes, we can end up with hormones that are less healthy for us dominating in our body. And this can predispose us to all kinds of things like endometriosis, polycystic ovarian syndrome, even some kinds of hormone-related cancers. So the liver is a huge, huge role in properly balancing our hormones.
Yeah, your gut health is huge and your liver is huge. So from the way that I understand it, as your ovaries aren't really producing estrogen the way that they used to, and your body's having to transfer the way that it is converting hormones and producing hormones, there's a chain of command and a signaling that happens. And if you don't have, and tell me if I'm explaining this wrong, you can correct me. If you don't have good gut health and you don't have good liver support, you are going to have a way harder time with everything, because it's like converting it into a different language. Okay. And the conversion piece, the gut health and the liver health, are not functioning well. So it can't translate it. So it ends up becoming a toxin, because your body can't perform the activity that it is trying to perform. And some of the things that it needs, the gut produces, and some are the liver has to be able to take care of that process. Did I explain that well?
Yeah, I think it doesn't become a foreign toxin, but it just, for example, the estrogen molecule does not get broken down into the form where it can be then excreted from the body. So it stays as a fat-soluble molecule and stays in our system. And if too much of that happens, then we have, this dysregulated estrogen to other hormone balance. But when your liver is working optimally and your gut health is good, then you're going to be able to fully process that hormone so that now it's in a water-soluble form and it can be eliminated from the body when it needs to be.
So what if it stays fat-soluble because you don't have good gut health and you don't have liver support? If it stays, then is it toxic?
It is. We have cancers that have been shown to be more likely if you have higher levels of those fat-soluble hormones versus the ones that have been properly metabolized into water-soluble hormones.
That is huge.
Yeah, it's pretty scary. It's huge.
So you want to support your gut health, and Plexus has amazing gut health support, but you want to support your liver also. And that is what Restore is coming in and doing. You're exposed to so many chemicals on just a regular basis that you have no control over if you live in the world. It's off-gassing from carpets. It's freshly painted office walls that you walk into. It's pumping gas at the gas station.
It's plastics.
It's your friend getting in the car, sitting next to you with perfume on. Like even that.
I would never do that to you, Lori.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And your fat, excess fat, stores toxins. And so if you're on a weight loss journey or attempting weight loss while you're going through this hormonal flux, sometimes your body can't process all that. And so since it's not safe to process it through your liver because your liver is not supported, it's just going to hold on to it because it's trying to keep you alive. And so this is a critical part of your health journey. And I'm so excited that we now have the fourth leg in anybody's health regimen. So thank you so much.
Absolutely.